Hi everyone, my name is TFmane, and today I'm gonna unbox and build Mask Maker vs Skull Grinder with Takenuva mask, and at least I hope it's the Takenuva mask. Anyway, there we have Ekimu and Skull Grinder. So they both have some cool action. A comic where he takes on the Mask of Creation and a combination. So let's see if we can't open it up. These are always kind of tough to open up without ripping the package completely, that is. So let's see if we can't get it open without I just completely did it. I wrecked it completely. Well, great. There goes the retail value. I'm just kidding. I'm never gonna sell them. So there we go. There we go. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. That is a lot of stuff. Anyway, so let's get on to building it. there we have them. Both are pretty cool. He's a tiny dude with a big hammer that shoots. And this guy is even a bigger dude with big actions. And the Takanuva mask, which we have been waiting for forever. I hope it's a Takanuva mask. It's really cool, and it even says little scriblets on it, like the pictures show. And you get a little stand that won't actually do like it says in the instructions. Well, anyway, has been my unboxing, review, and thoughts. So if you want it, go grab it. It's a really cool set, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more future updates and more of these. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.